In this video, we are going to see about the selection sort in a data structure and algorithms concept. In previous video, we have discussed about what is sorting and the bubble sort. Initially, the sorting is arranging a data in an order wise. Either it will be in ascending or a descending. So we can easily access the data, and the efficient of the working algorithm is more. So we are using sorting algorithm to sort the data in an arranged manner. In previous video, we have discussed the technique called bubble sort, where we will be having an unsorted array, and we will be comparing the adjacent pair. If it is less than the pair, it is less than the second position, we will be swapping will be occurring until the step will be continued for till the array is sorted. In this video, we are going to discuss about selection sort. The selection sort is a comparison-based sorting algorithm. It sorts an array by repeatedly selecting the smallest or a largest element from the unsorted position and swapping it with the first unsorted element. This process continues until the entire array is sorted. First, we find the smallest element and swap it with the first element. This way, we get the smallest element as it is in the correct position. Here, if we see the diagram, initially the array is in I power 0. That is, initially the array is, we are not shifting anything. So, we will be starting from the 0th position. In 0th position, we have 20, and in first position, we will be having 12. So, the minimum value is at the index level 1. So, here the swapping will be occurred. So, the 12 will be reached to the 20, and 20 will be coming to the 12th position. Next, we are comparing the index position 2. In index position 2, it's not 10 and 12. Here the 10 and 12 will be swapped, and next one is 10 and 15. Here 12 and 15, and here the 12 and 15 will not be sorted as it is index 3 is all placed in the correct position. So next one is the 2. So the 2 should be in the first position. So again we will be comparing the arrays, and we will be sorting until the 2 is in the front position. That is, I equal to 0 is 2. So the sorted array will be 2, 10, 12, 15 and 20. Let's see detail about the algorithm that we use. We find the smallest among the remaining element or the second smallest and swap the second element. We keep doing until we get the elements moves to the correct position. And next we are going to see about insertion sort. In insertion sort is a simple sorting algorithm that works by iteratively inserting each element of an unsorted list into a correct position in sorted position of the list. It is sorting playing cards in your hand. Example, you split the cards into two groups, the sorted cards and the unsorted cards. Then you pick a card from unsorted group and put it the right place in a sorted group. Next one is next here the example is we have 4, 5, 2, 1, 6, 3. So we compares the element. Here the 2 is the smallest element. So the fourth position we will be changing the elements. The first element is considered sorted. Fourth element inserted before 5. 5 moves on the position forward, and second gets inserted before 4, and 4 and 5 move on to the position. That is, if I have 2 in the third position and 4 in the first position, means I can sort that array, and the position will be changed for that both values. Based on that, the array will be get sorted, and the final it's automatically in the correct place, and 3 gets inserted before 4, and the rest elements are moved forward. So the sorted array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We start with the second element of an array, as the first element is assumed to be sorted. Comparing the second element with the first element, if the second element is smaller, then swap them. Move to the third element, compare it with the first 2 elements and put it in the correct position. Repeat until the entire array is sorted. Hope you all understand the insertion sort and the selection sort explained in this video. Here the mind map is explained for the whole unit, where the sorting algorithms and how it's efficiently worked. And next one is the DT based activity. If a data set is already 90% sorted, which algorithm could you choose and why? If I have a database, for example, I have a student database and it is already in a sorted position, but the newly joined example 20 students are newly joined, but it's not in a sorted position, and what algorithm which I will be using for the sorting that names. Hope you all find out the answer. Here the answer is bubble sort can be detected when the list is already sorted and stop earlierly, reducing the unnecessary comparison. Why it is bubble sort means because the bubble sort can detect that the list is already sorted and it can stop earlierly to reduce the unnecessary comparison. And next one is it is an optimized version. If no swapping is occurred, then the list will be terminated immediately, and it has the best case time complexity, that is 0 of n, much faster than the selection sort in this scenario. Here is the assignment question and here is the reference for the students. Hope you all understand this video. Let's see in your next video. Thank you.